Hey guys, Weathercast 100 here. Doing my tropical update for 8/29/2010. Basically, what we're looking at right here is we got Hurricane Danielle going off and becoming an extra tropical low, actually a fairly potent low too. And that'll join up with this low up here in the northern Atlantic and basically become some giant non-tropical low pressure system and make a lot of waves, but not really affect anyone. This is now Hurricane Earl, which has just been upgraded and is looking pretty impressive on satellite, and that's probably going to become a Category 3 somewhere in here, somewhere near 70 west. Down here, this is a probably very soon to be tropical depression. I believe number 9, I think. I'm not sure. It might be number 7 or number 8 or number 9. I apologize for not being very accurate on that, but I can't really, it escapes me right now. But this is soon to be our next tropical depression, and then eventually Fiona, most likely. That is if these two don't get entangled, which is the models keep insisting they you know, kind of get caught up with each other up in this area. But I don't think that's going to happen because this is moving faster than this. So we'll see what happens. Here is Danielle satellite right now. This is the visible satellite for Hurricane Danielle. They're probably going to downgrade it here in a little bit because it's looking very much like a cold core system right now. It even appears to have a cold front starting to drag behind it. So it's making that transition right now into a cold core non-tropical system. Here is the Hurricane Earl satellite. I'll put that in motion for you guys right here, and you can see it just the convection flare up, and you can see this beautiful outflow coming out from it on all directions, and so it's looking very healthy and rapid intensification as possible. Now, the northern Leeward Islands right here need to keep an eye on this, and possibly Puerto Rico, because this could clip you guys, but I'm pretty sure that Puerto Rico will be fine, but it's these islands right here which I'm kind of concerned about. Definitely tropical storm force winds are expected over the next 24 to 48 hours, and possible hurricane force wind gusts. And if this tracks a little bit further south, you guys will get hurricane force winds, so you guys need to be watching this pretty closely. Hurricane Earl projected path. Now this is kind of a scary projected path, because if this continues on its path, would take it right up near Boston by sometime late Friday. It might track a little bit further west on the west side of this cone, because this high pressure is looking to be a little bit stronger than the models are indicating. So Category 3 by Tuesday. And it maintains that Category 3 status all the way up here. Anyone from up here near Boston down to Cape Hatteras needs to watch this really closely. New York City I'm kind of worried about right now, because you can see that if that jogs just a little bit west, bang, right there. So that needs to be watched. Here is the GFS forecast model for the Atlantic Ocean. You can just see it just takes it up and just bang right there. Clips Massachusetts. It might track a little bit further west depending on what this high pressure does. If it strengthens, then you know what, the East Coast really needs to keep an eye on this. This could be really serious coming up here in a little while. And basically, what needs to happen is this entire area right here needs to keep a really close eye on this all the way down to here. Anywhere south of here looks to be in the clear, unless the high strengthens dramatically, which that probably won't happen. A very unlikely scenario would be it coming in like this. But either way it comes in, it's probably going to come in just for a little bit and then turn out, because as it gets sucked out by a trough in the North Atlantic. But what's going on is everywhere in this yellow needs to keep a very close eye on this. Especially in the New York City area. That's a very big metropolitan area. There's a lot of people that could be affected by this, and if it does hit there, it's going to be really hard to evacuate. So you need to keep a close eye on this, and whatever track it starts to take, everybody just seriously really keep an eye on this. This could be a really big storm for you guys. So yeah, basically that's it. Weathercast 100. See ya.